Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is compact layout. A compact layout displays record key fields at a glance in the Salesforce mobile app Lightning experience. It can have a maximum of 10 fields. In order to deploy compact layout assignment, we need to include custom object and record type in our metadata filter. Steps to create compact layout: setup, object manager, choose object, compact layouts, new. Step 1, enter compact layout name. Step 2, select fields to display. Step 3, click save. Let's see an example. Create custom layout for candidate object and name it candidate custom layout new. So let's log into our Salesforce account. So click on object manager. Open candidate. In the candidate details, just click on compact layouts. So this is system default already provided by Salesforce. So let's see what is providing in system default. So click on app launcher, search for our app employee management system, click on candidates. It is a compact layout data. So to create our own compact layout, just click on new. So here I had provided the name candidate compact layout new. Select compact layout fields, available fields, selected fields. So name, email and phone. Click save. The compact layout has been created. So by default this is assigned for this system administrator profile. Click on compact layout assignment. Click edit assignment. So primary compact layout is system default. I am making it candidate compact layout new. Hit the save button. So again come back to our application. Just reload this page. Click on candidate. Click on particular record. So now we are able to see the changes here. Name is there, then email, and then phone is displaying over here. So this is the compact layout. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.